I'll be showing you how to delete drafts on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is launch TikTok on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android, and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page where you have your posts. Now the first post is normally your collection of drafts. So you can see I have 6 drafts. It says draft 6, and when I tap on that, I can see all my drafts. So to delete a draft, all I have to do is tap on select, and then I can select the draft. And if I want to delete multiple drafts, I can select multiple drafts, and even all of them if I want to, and then tap on delete, and then confirm I want to delete drafts. And that's it. And that's basically how to delete drafts on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.